Good morning. I get questions from people about how I make my coffee. This is my protein coffee. I drink it every morning. I use shaker cups. You could totally use metal cups to keep it hot longer. You could use whatever cup you want to use. I like these because in the summertime I'm drinking cold coffee and there's other things that are going to kill me rather than drinking out of plastic. These are Contigo cups. Only reason why I got these is because my friend, she's a gym rat, and these are what she uses. So what I use is one teaspoon of my chocolate electrolytes. That's the first thing I use. You can buy electrolytes if you'd like. I've done that in the past for sure. But I'm using 1 teaspoon in all of these. 1 teaspoon of chocolate electrolyte. I use Isopure Zero Carb Protein Powder. This is the original scoop, and this is a half of a scoop. So I use 1/2 scoop of protein powder in each of my coffees. It says 44 servings, so I get 88 servings. And I put 1/2 scoop in every container. Now, if you use a coffee maker, you won't have to do this next step. But I don't, so I use some type of instant coffee. And I use almost 2 tablespoons. This is a 2 tablespoon scoop. I use almost 2 tablespoons. I don't quite fill it. And I put this in all of my containers. So then the morning I'm ready to drink it, I just add water. I can use hot water that I've microwaved. You can use hot water from a kettle, or you can use ice water and drink it cold in the summer. And so what I do is I put the lids on these. Put the lid on and I close it to keep any moisture in the air out of it. And I stack them up in a box. And I put them in this box, and every day I come and grab one out and add my water to it. So I just set this box off to the side, and that's how I make my protein coffee for the week. So now all I have to do is add water.